Slows down Bellingham. Burst of speed from him and Rice. Early goal threatened. Early England goal delivered. Just a sort of start to the contest. Deflection, taking the ball beyond the reach of Patrick Saksikan with the England squad. First choice 11, only Nico O'Reilly for Gordon. I want to pull it back. Kane was occupying. Saksikan does really. And from Rice, flicked on by Kane. Stretch glove of Patrick Saksikan was bouncing and moving in front of him. But for the cost. There's when he had the ball at his feet. It 2-0. Double miss. The goal was vacant, but Madueke, who then got to the loose ball ahead of Sean Johnson. For Sean Johnson and Costa. Yes, the reversal of the change prior to the game. Hashel back against. So they can make a further impression on. Great vision from Harry Kane. Curling the shot inside the post, always. Patrick Saksikan heads to the sideline. He was called up for the first time in March. He's about to get an international debut. England too will begin to make alterations. He's coming on. And when you've got a world-class number 9 at your disposal, a player who is likely to contribute as much as anyone else to a deep run in the World Cup, then no chance is being taken with Harry Kane. John Stones is withdrawn to be replaced by Mark Gay. Still looking to be a new, dancing through the defence. An England spot kick. An opportunity to make it 2-0. Anthony Gordon for England. And the first job is to retrieve the ball, having been brilliant from Anthony Gordon. Dominant England have been. Kobe Mainu is on. Challenge on Saka. Steered wide at the target. More. Got anything like as many players to call upon as England have, but they so last week against Colombia. And Dorian Rodriguez added to the Costa Rica squad since. Good work this. Rodgers in behind and away by Mitchell. What he can do. Gets it back from Rodgers. Rashford very nearly all the way through, still going. Good urgency though from England. Rodgers taking aim. And England get another chance. That's what they came to see. And kept the pressure on. Recognised that. And England are shooting away from Rodriguez. Chance for another here. Saka squeezed that inside the far post. And better for England. Rashford for Watkins. Have stayed right at it, England, to the very end. A threat. Gordon from the penalty. Half goals added after Rodgers had fluffed a glorious chance.